How to fix Motion for macOS not uninstalling. Here is a script file to uninstall Motion from macOS, #bin/bash #stop the Motion application if it is running if grep motion /dev /null then echo stopping Motion. Killall Motion sleep 2fi #uninstall Motion echo uninstalling Motion. Sudo rmrf/application/motion.app. Sudo rmrf/library/application support /motion. Sudo rmrf/library/preferences com.apple.motion.plist. Sudo rmrf/user/shared/motion. Sudo rmrf/library/receipt/motion. Sudo rmrf/var/db/receipt/com.apple.pkg.Motion. Echo Motion has been uninstalled. This script will first check if the Motion application is running and stop it if it is. It will then proceed to uninstall Motion by removing its application bundle, preferences, and support files. Finally, it will remove any receipts and installation records related to Motion. To use this script, follow these steps. 1. Open a text editor on your Mac, such as TextEdit or BBEdit. 2. Copy and paste the above script into the text editor. 3. Save the file with a .sh extension, for example, uninstall_motion.sh. 4. Open terminal on your Mac. 5. Navigate to the directory where you saved the uninstall_motion.sh file using the cd command. 6. Run the command mod +x uninstall_motion.sh to make the script executable. 7. Run the script by typing /uninstall_motion.sh in terminal and hitting enter. This will execute the script and uninstall Motion from your macOS system. Please note that this process is irreversible, so make sure that you want to uninstall Motion before running the script. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.